Hi, welcome to another ArcGIS tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the projection of a raster. Now, as you can see, I have already loaded up the DEM, and first of all, I'm going to check the existing projection of this DEM raster. Now, to do that, you can simply right-click on this, go to Properties, and over here under the special reference, you can see that it's already defined into WGS 1984 geographic coordinate system. So for this tutorial, I'm going to change the projection from a geographic coordinate system into a projected coordinate system. Now, the tool that you can use to do that, you can find it in Arc Toolbox under Data Management Tools. You go to Projections and Transformations. And if you expand this raster option, you can see that there's one option called Project Raster. So you can simply double click on that. And as your input raster, you can use your current raster. Once you drag it and drop it over here, you will be able to see your current existing coordinate system. Now, over here, you have the option to define the output coordinate system. So in this case, I'm going to go to Projected Coordinate Systems under UTM, WGS 1984, Southern Hemisphere, UTM Zone 34S, because this DEM is actually corresponding to a part of South Africa. And over here you can define your path to save the new projected raster. And here we can see actually if you want to change the grid cell size of the raster, you can also do that in the same time. I have already created a separate tutorial about resampling. If you need to change the grid cell size from the existing cell size to a different grid cell size, which will result in changing the resolution of your raster, you can indeed check that tutorial out. I have put the link down in the description below. So for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it as it is and click OK. Alright, now you can see that we already have the projected raster. So just to be sure, I'm going to go to the properties of this and I'm going to check the spatial reference, and as you can see, we have successfully reprojected the raster from WGS 1984 geographic coordinate system into UTM Zone 34S. So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like to see more interesting ArcGIS tutorials, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.